My name is James Wickland. We are currently at Pat's Acres Racing Complex out in Canby, Oregon. This is our annual Summer Jam event, and it is all about having fun. We're in it to get door-to-door action and enjoy the time of summer. This track is very small, it's very technical, and people ask us, why do you dump so much money into these things? Why do you live off top ramen? This is why we do it. Days like this, that's really what it comes down to. We're not in it for money, we're in it for fun. We're in it to share that with everyone else. We want to try and bring the best of drifting back.
My name is Ian McGinley, and I'm an event organizer for Team Tanoshimu Park Summer Jam 2018. Purpose is just to have fun, to just invite everyone out that we can from all over, and just all like vibe really well together and drive hard, and end the day with all smiles on our faces.